Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook on this Friday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson. And heavy rain and flooding, a major concern for us over the next several days. In fact, some extreme rainfall tallies in the central part of the nation, back up to the northeast, even through early next week. Some severe storms possible and also some excessive heat. But take a look at the heavy rain that was falling in Baton Rouge, Louisiana this morning. That led to some very slow going. Some spots in Louisiana seeing some double-digit rainfall tallies already, like Gonzales and Central, up to around 10, almost 11 inches, and we're not quite done. We'll talk about the severe weather threat first, though. There's your marginal risk along the Front Range, snaking back up into the Midwest, Great Lakes, and also to the northeast. Looks like damaging winds and also large hail would be the primary concern, along with some very heavy rain. But again, watching the thunder threat in this particular zone of the central U.S. as a cool front continues to slowly push off to the southeast. And that'll be the focal point for some of this moisture to at least bring us that heavy rain and flood threat. But on Saturday, we have a marginal risk of severe weather over the eastern Great Lakes region, and then it does push a little bit farther east on Sunday to include New York and Boston. These are all the flash flood watches that have been posted from National Weather Services around the nation. And again, we continue to watch this heavy rain threat across the southern U.S., back up in the middle Mississippi Valley, and then east into the eastern Great Lakes region. But some spots through the Ohio Valley could see as much as 3 to 6 inches of rain through Monday, and some very significant amounts down into the lower Mississippi Valley near New Orleans, maybe some 4 to 9 inch amounts, and that's where we have actually a high risk of flooding today. All right, talk about the record heat. McAllen, Texas, up to 107 on Thursday, and these are the heat advisories posted through this upcoming weekend, especially into the northeast. In fact, some excessive heat warnings in place there. Some of the forecast heat index values will be topping the triple-digit mark today in D.C., Baltimore, Philly, and even New York City, feeling more like 106.